Previously on Roses and Daggers.
Where were you yesterday?
I went out.
To where?
I don't understand the question.
What other language do you want me to say it in?
Where were you when you stepped out?
I went out to see a friend. Look, I'm sorry, but I feel like you are ganging up on me and I don't know what I've done. Really, like, what's going on?
Did you take my phone with you?
What?
Whether by mistake or intentionally. To see this guy.
Of course not, no! Like, why would I take your phone?
So what were you doing in my room on your return?
And I so shamelessly threw myself at you.
Ceci, please give me a second. This is different.
How different? I don't blame you. She's probably some beautiful, rich, intelligent girl. And I haven't even started my dressmaking training yet. Why did I even think this would work?
Stop competing with her.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, you can't go inside.
Says who?
I'm sorry, I just took orders not to allow anyone inside.
Okay, please, just tell her Valerie's here. Please. Thank you so much. Hey! Oh my god. Come here. What happened?
I don't know. It keeps playing in my head over and over again.
The baby?
Baby's fine.
Oh god. Did you bleed again?
No. I asked them to take me in because I knew my blood pressure was rising and I had to save my baby.
Why? What happened?
Val, someone is trying to set me up.
What do you mean by that?
Zach came back. Everything was fine. We were getting back on track.
Okay.
He took my phone to make a call and he showed me pictures of a naked man.
Who sent them?
That's the thing, Val. I don't know. I don't know who sent them. You know the funny thing? It was captured with my phone 3 days ago.
But I paid you a visit 3 days ago.
Exactly, and I even told you.
Yeah, something about you wanting to put your phone off or something like that.
Yes, Val. Yes. How the pictures got on my phone, I don't know. Who would take my phone out of my room to set me up like this? Who, Val?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I brought you breakfast. How are you doing, dear?
Where is Mom?
She left.
Left?
Just this morning.
So she believes this nonsense too.
Shh. It's okay. You need to calm down. You know this is not good for the baby.
Val, how am I supposed to calm down? How? When I don't even know who could be doing this.
I was thinking, I don't really know your husband's past though. But what if it's an ex-girlfriend doing all this just to get back into his life?
I don't think Zach has a dirty past.
Even if he did, the question is, how did this person go in and out of my bedroom without any of us noticing?
Baby, you just need security and that's it.
Yes, I know. Now I'm so scared. I'm so scared to be alone because I don't know what's going to happen next. It could be me. It could be a naked picture of me on the internet or something like that.
Shh.
Oh God.
Yes. I don't think we should contact each other anymore.
Yeah. You can have this as transport back home.
I have money for that. Thank you. And have a safe journey back home. Good luck.
She's in the hospital, Zach.
I know.
Would you get off your unbearable suspicions and go and see her? It's your wife and your unborn child we're talking about here.
And how sure are you that the baby she's carrying is mine?
You don't mean that, do you?
I do.
No. I know you're angry, I understand you, but I need you to man up. Become the human being that I used to know, please.
How do you explain that, Valerie? How do you?
I cannot explain that, neither can she. You think she's stupid? To leave her dirty pictures lying around for you to just come and see? Think about it. I need you to man up and go and see her.
I'm gonna hold on and be strong. I can't believe it, it feels like I'm dreaming. I have waited for so long to be crowned your queen, but you kicked me out.
I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth. The humble Sissy. I've been watching you all day, and you've been very, very quiet. What is it? Now you are crying. Talk to me. Sissy, what is it? Talk to me. Talk to me. I know you went to see the engineer. What happened?
I want to start the dressmaking.
Okay, that's good. But that's not the reason you should cry. It's a good thing you decided now to start your apprenticeship in dressmaking. What is it? What is making you cry? Talk to me, Sissy. Talk to me. Stop crying, girl. Sissy, stop. Something must have happened. Tell me. What did the engineer say to you?
This just doesn't make sense. How did the phone get out of the room? And who's that guy on the phone? How did the person get the phone out of the room without anybody noticing him?
Weird indeed.
I just don't understand why Zach is believing this crap. I mean, it doesn't make sense. Who could be stupid enough to leave incriminating pictures like this on her phone? She's having his baby, for God's sake.
There are more questions than answers, Valerie.
I know that.
Nah.
And there were only 2 people living in the house with her. It couldn't have been the mother-in-law. She's just too nice. And there's Winifred, whom I know nothing about. Anita believes in her too much.
You never know.
Plus, she has a solid alibi. Oh God, this is so confusing. Who could have broken into the house? For what? To what end? You know, we're starting to believe it's one of her exes trying to come back.
Look, what she needs is security in that house. I wonder why none of you has brought that up.
Yes. Security. She does need security. I just probably have to talk to her about it. This is just weighing me down. I'm taking a shower.
Just to be real, tell you how I feel. Love can kill. I just wanna be free. No time to beat. Show me what you see. I feel crazy many times with my love. It's not easy knowing that we've got flaws. The road is rough, and we got to be tough. One last river, soon to cross.
Annie, are you okay?
Hey, honey.
You didn't have to.
Of course I have to.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to try and stay home all day today, just in case you need something.
No, you don't have to. I mean, if you have things to do.
Are you sure?
Of course.
I'm really worried about you.
I'm stronger than I look. And thank you for the breakfast.
You're welcome.
Mom, I didn't know you were coming over.
That Tupac of yours is getting fatter by the day. Whatever on earth are you feeding him? How is he supposed to protect you alone in this place if he's too heavy to move around?
He's not heavy. He's not that heavy.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I could swear he's put on some weight. Anyway, I barely get to see you these days. I was going to march into your office and force you to take a break, but your father said you were going to be home today. I hope you're taking an early leave. I don't need my son at the altar looking stressed and miserable.
No, Mom.
Like he does now.
I'm not stressed and miserable.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Anyway, listen. I came to talk about Valerie.
What about her?
She only brought 100 cards. Joshua, 100 cards.
And?
And do you know how many guests are coming just between your father and myself? I think she did this deliberately, and it's totally unacceptable.
Mom, you came all the way to talk about cards?
Why? Don't you want me here? Of course I came to see you. I barely get to see you these days, with you running all around the country by the day.
Forgive me, I didn't mean to imply that you're not needed here. I just think that you're stressing too much about this wedding.
Joshua, my only son is getting married. This is more for me than for you. So leave me to my stress. Okay, now, about the invites.
I'll take care of it, Mom.
Thank you. But you haven't asked me how many more I'll need.
How many more do you need, Mom?
Oh, 200 more would suffice.
200? How many people are coming to the wedding? Okay.
Perfect. Well, I'm off to the designers to fit my cloth. At least that's one headache I can get off my list. Bye, darling.
Bye.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Are you sure? You don't seem like yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just tired. You know, you're right. I need to take some few days off work.
Good thinking. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mom.
Hey,
Why are you out of bed? Where's Winifred?
she had to go to town.
For what? Is that not why we're paying her? She has to stay home.
Valerie, to help me at home, yes, but not to babysit me.
But
Come
the
on.
reasonable thing here to do is to stay home with you, especially when we don't know who's going to sneak up on you.
Don't worry about me. Just come on in.
You don't have to be alone, that's all I'm trying to say. You didn't think I was gonna leave you here to wallow in self-pity?
Val, it's not self-pity. The doctor recommended bed rest. Don't you remember?
And when once did you heed that advice?
I promise I'm fine.
It's no longer about you. You're my wedding planner. You can't leave me hanging like this. And who do you hope to see me through this? Come on, you're my maid of honor. You haven't even picked up a dress yet. Come on, Annie, please.
Fine, you win.
Yes. Come on. Get up, get dressed, and let's get out of here, please.
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your brow, quaint to